value out. I think we have Mr. Ajay Srinivasan with us, joining us right now on the location. And let's just toss across, I think my colleague is going to start asking questions to Mr. Srinivasan.
One of the reasons Mr. Birla mentioned for this merger at this time was that financial services is growing at a fast pace and you want Grasim shareholders to be part of that fast pace. Can you elaborate a little bit on that? Why are we going through such a fast pace now in financial services?
No, actually the business has been growing over the last several years. I think we've had reasonable growth. Like I mentioned earlier, we're actually a fairly unique financial services business. We have a large number of businesses. We have 12 or 13 businesses underneath. And in each business, we've built scale. And I don't think there's another business like that really available in the market. So we felt that this is a good time to actually look to unlock value and give a broader base of investors the ability to benefit from that.
If I understand correctly, some funds will be used towards financial services and scaling that up. What verticals in particular would receive the benefit of this?
So largely the verticals that require funding in our current network are the NBFC, the housing finance company. Both of these require funding, and our health insurance business.
So these are the three verticals that you'll be looking to scale up.
Yes.
Okay, so and you said no listing plans for any of the separate verticals. Could that change in the time that the merger is complete, by the time next year happens?
No, I don't think it's going to change in that time frame at all.
All right, then rather unfortunate that we have Grasim's numbers that are coming in there, and prima facie they look quite good. There's a beat on the margins. It's looking quite good. If you look at the profitability as well, it's come way ahead of what we were estimating, but that's all going to count for very little tomorrow. What's going to be in focus is this entire rejig. What's it, Birla?
Well, we mentioned it again and again, and I expect AB to open down, Grasim to open up.